Okay. Now look at me. Like this. Now. Now gradually, with some kind of sukha, to tampucha.
A little bit of strictness and pull it through your thigh.
Oh, like this. Now, firstly, you should be careful. And if you want to hit your sort of neighbor, then go this. Now this way. Be careful, be careful.
And the
Then, like this.
very there.
Now take inside, take in. Now again like that. Again. Now from both nostrils, you see. So altogether 9 times. This side 3, this side 3, then both both nostrils 3 times. So altogether 9 times. Then this sort of say, start like that, and then you can just count. The 20, 30, and the 50, 100, like that. That's one way, the initial sort of practice of single-pointed meditation. It's quite easy, like that.